how to start a credit repair business.
Now tuned into the greatest.
What's good, Wealth Builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video. And today we are talking about, what we talking about? How to start a credit repair business. So let's go. All right, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We drop a video every Monday and every Thursday. We focus on making more money, saving more money, building a better business and you. So let's get into how we start a credit repair business. All right, number one, you must get yourself an LLC. All right, this is not a game, folks. If you're starting a business, especially a credit repair business, you need a LLC. All right, so go ahead and check out the video right here, ding, for that. All right, number two, get business insurance. You're dealing with other people's personal info, so you want to make sure you are protected just in case something goes wrong, okay? You don't want to be that guy left out there in the cold and broke and stuff because you didn't have insurance. Dun, 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 dun. All right, number three, create yourself a website. You want to have central location where your clients can go and check out your credentials, especially when marketing your business on flyers and business cards, okay? And plus, most people will check out your website first, then give you a call, not the other way around. Number four, make sure you have proper credit repair training. All right, you should actually know the ins and outs of credit repair before charging anyone. This shouldn't be just some BS hobby. You should be taking it serious. You should know how to do this. You know the back of your hand, okay? I recommend practicing on yourself or a close family member and friends before charging strangers. If you don't know where to get training from, click the link below or watch this video right here. All right. Number five, I also recommend having an office. All right. Listen, you need an office, okay? Most people won't just hand over their personal information without actually knowing who the person is, or at least knowing where they can find you if something goes wrong, okay? And I don't recommend you having a home office, okay? Home office is for things you do at home, like, you know, creating spreadsheets or doing YouTube videos or, you know what I'm saying, creating a website and stuff like that. And maybe that could be your home base as far as, you know, on a regular basis, but you can rent out office space for meetings. You can rent out office space on a monthly basis. It's a lot of different options out there nowadays. You don't have to just have a full-blown every month rent for a home office in the beginning. You can actually just pay as you go and have a central location where they have, like, you know, they can send your mail to and all that good stuff, but you don't have actually an office until you need one. Then, you know what I'm saying, you could rent out what they call meeting rooms and things like that. I believe the company's called WeWork. All right, you could check them out, go Google that. Definitely helpful, okay? I've used things like that where, you know, I've had meetings with people and I didn't want to have them at my home and they were, you know, in town or something like that. They flew in. So I would rent out a meeting room, okay, where we can meet up and discuss the situation. It's way better than just going to meet, you know, at like Starbucks or something like that. You know what I'm saying? That's not very professional, okay? Especially if it's someone that you want to do the credit for, okay? Credit repair. They're not going to be like, yeah, meet me at this Starbucks so I can hand you all my information. Nah, I wouldn't do it, all right? So there you have it. My 5 simple steps to starting a credit repair business. Not very hard. The hardest part about it is actually learning the credit repair business, okay? Learning how to repair credit and learning the ins and outs of, you know, the IRS and all that good stuff, okay? So before you go, I want you to really answer these questions I have for you. Number one, do you currently feel overworked and underpaid? Okay. Number two, do you want to make more money on your current job? And number three, is your credit repair or credit score actually holding you back? If so, if you answered, you know, yes to 2 out of 3 these questions, or maybe even one of these questions, and you want to learn more on how you can change your narrative, change your story, okay, for the future, and really start making an impact with your income and start, you know, being able to do more things and have more money coming in, having more streams of income, then watch this free video below to learn more. The video will tell you everything you need to know about how to build this business, all right? So with that being said, do remember, wealth builders, make more. What? Save more than do what? Build more. Peace.
Now tuned into the greatest.